What's up, everyone? I hope you guys are having an awesome day. It's your boy Stan out here with Stanley's Reviews. Unfortunately, I'm sorry I wasn't able to post as much as possible during the month of January, but however, I'm back dealing with some personal issues in January. Started the year off on a downswing with constant slews of bad news, but this is February, so we're on an upswing now. Hope everything's very, very positive going forward. But today's reviews is pretty much going to be about a few laptop stands that I do have, and I want to showcase them to you guys and see and show you guys which one will work best for you guys based on the size of your desk. If you have a small desk, it pretty much means that you need a smaller laptop stand. Obviously, that makes sense because you want to be as minimal as possible to maximize space on your desk. Obviously, papers take precedence on your desk and all sorts of other stuff. But that will definitely help you accumulate the space necessary for you to make things happen, create your workspace and stuff of that nature. So I'm actually going to be showcasing to you guys the three laptop stands that I do have with the help of my MacBook as well. So you guys get to see exactly how they fit on there and how they work and everything. Don't hesitate to hit the like button as well. Don't hesitate to comment. Don't hesitate to subscribe as well. I need you guys to subscribe to the channel so I can continue to bring you guys this content. It keeps me motivated so I can continue to do this for you guys. And most of these laptop stands the links will be in the description below as well. So far today I have three of them, and all three of them will be linked in the description below. If you're interested in getting you one, you can definitely go down below and go get it. And most of them, for the most part, are on Amazon, I believe. So you can get all of those, and I'll have the Amazon link in the description below. So let's get into the video further. All right. This is the first one I do have. This is the first laptop stand that I do have. This is pretty easy, pretty simple, pretty minimal, as you can see, but it's not collapsible. So pretty much you just take this and you place it on your laptop on it and you begin working right there. So that's pretty much how that works in a nutshell. So this one actually comes disassembled, so you have to assemble it yourself. Like I mentioned before, it's not collapsible, so it comes with 4 screws that you have to assemble back here, and you will need Allen wrenches to screw all these in, or perhaps a drill will help you as well. This is made by Sokol. It's definitely cool. It's easy to deal with, and based on how well it's placed on your desk, there's a little bit of shakiness that goes with it, but it's actually affordable as well. A link for that will be in the description below as well. So you'll be able to get your hands on that. I'll get you the description, and I'll get you the link for this in the description below. So you can actually buy this if you're interested in it, but it's definitely worth it. It's definitely practical, easy to use. Once you put it together, you can pretty much set it on your desk and you're ready to go. You're ready to work, so to speak. So it's awesome in that facet. And it works if you have a small desk or a big desk, but this works best on a bigger desk for sure. But it doesn't hinder anything, any way, shape, or form on the big desk. And I believe there's different colors in these as well. I like the silver color, but there's a rose gold. I believe there's a black. There's also white ones as well. And these comes with the pads so the laptop doesn't slide off. Obviously, there's also the clip at the end as well, so the laptop doesn't slide off. So we're gonna move on to the other one that I have. And I believe that one is right here. Let me move that over there. I don't think I have a brand name for it, but it's still cool. It's very, very attractive. It's like a transformer, completely black with gray pads. And you pretty much do this, and you could set it up to any height level you like, to be honest with you. So if you want it to be on the highest height, this is it right here. You place your laptop right in there, and that's that in a nutshell. There we go. And obviously that's the highest height you can put it, and the lower back you go, the lower the laptop drops. But you have to make sure this fits in all these grooves and channels that are here. If these little pods over here don't get stuck in there and clip into it, there's a strong chance it will drop your laptop. And obviously you can make it smaller while it's holding your laptop. You could use it for your tablet as well, anything of that nature. Or you could use it for, I think, yeah, you could use it for a tablet, which I have right here. It's easy to use. This is my Amazon Fire. Very easy to use, and you can make it much bigger. Obviously, I would have to change the the tablet format to landscape. So this actually works with tablets and laptops, pretty much. And you could set it all the way down like so, and it still fit perfectly onto your desk. Very, very minimalist. Not really much to it whatsoever. I like the fact that you could just collapse it and put it in your bag and take it with you anywhere you go. So if you choose to operate your laptop somewhere else, you could actually put it on top of it, at the bottom of it, and make it work. And it's very, very cool. It has these little prong thingies here that actually sticks to these holes back there and create the height that you want, pretty much. And that's what's cool about it. You could lay it completely flat, and you collapse it when you're done. And there's actually a little tote bag you could fit that into, and that bag closes up. You good to go. So that's the second one I have. However, the third one is the biggest one that I do have, and it's the most interesting one out of all three, to be honest with you. That one is super heavy, super strong, very, very strong. So this is actually the bottom piece. That's for the laptop. That's the top piece of the laptop. That's where the laptop would go. So this is the bottom piece with all four of the pads in the bottom. And this also comes in various colors as well. So is all three of them. They come in various colors for sure. So this right here is how this works. You put it down flat, and these actually, if you look here, these actually move up and down depending on the size of your laptop, so it can actually grip the laptop. And there's also these nods over here that actually help holds the laptop in place as well. And to make it cooler, this actually completely comes out like so. And you can switch it around, do a switcheroo. You could do all sorts of fun stuff with this. To be honest with you could do complete 360 with it. Booyah, like so. Open this up. Make it completely legitimate to hold your laptop. And this is completely super, super strong. This is not like something that's gonna drop your laptop under any circumstances whatsoever. Once you put your notebook on there, it's on there for good. As you could see here, it's on there for good. There is nothing you could do to actually drop this, but it's definitely suspended in the air. It's for people who like a little shock factor or a little wow factor to their desk setup. So this would actually definitely work for someone who's trying to be a little flashier than normal on your desk. And also that will be linked in the description below as well. The link will be there for you to check it out. That's just how cool it is. It just opens up like scissors. You could slide these up and down however you want. You can turn this around 360 to show your friend your laptop based off of it. I also believe this also moves. No, I'm sorry, this doesn't move. The top part doesn't move 360. The bottom is the only part that moves 360. The top part is a sturdy part, and in order to get it completely, when you're done with it, you can just collapse it all together like so, and booyah. It's a little bit tougher to collapse. Definitely need some grease, but I understand why it's tight, because it holds the laptop and you can't have it drop. This also comes in various colors as well, and it's awesome. This one weighs less than 8 pounds, to be honest with you. This is probably like 7.5 pounds or so. So it's pretty lightweight considering how much mechanism there is involved with this. It's definitely lightweight and it's cool. It's very nice. It looked like something Tony Stark would have in his Iron Man shop. So it's definitely cool in that facet. The other ones that I do have weighs far less, to be honest with you, and can hold a significant amount of weight. So this can hold definitely 17 inches up to 30 pounds. This one right here. This one also can hold up to 30 pounds, 17 inches and stuff of that nature. You just have to learn how to position it properly so it can hold your laptop so you don't break it. This one actually is 2 pounds right here. It weighs 2 pounds. And this one weighs about 2 pounds as well, if I'm guessing, if I'm estimating it. But this one, definitely you have to put it together. You have to install it. You have to do the whole putting this crossbar in the back here that brings support to both of these pegs right here. That's what actually brings strength and rigidity to this. It makes it strong. And the only issue I've had with this is the fact that it's not fully leveled, as you could see here. But I think it's something that's relevant to how much I tighten the support bar. So if I loosen that up, I'm hoping that could fix that problem. But that's the only main con that I have with any of these. The other two, perfectly level. Nothing wrong with them whatsoever. All right, guys, that's pretty much it as far as my laptop stand reviews is concerned. I want you guys to keep subscribing. If you guys have any questions, hit me up in the comments below. Let me know which one you like the best, if you have one of them, and let me know what color you have as well so we can stay interactive in this channel. Don't hesitate to hit a like button as well, because that helps the algorithm move the video up and stuff like that. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. All right, guys, peace.